I Can Make a Difference is an organization that trains
Yes.
young individuals to have a visibility of the problems in the community and use their talents to basically solve those problems with perhaps innovation
Yes.
or innovation in whatever form, like maybe it's a technology,
Yes.
maybe it's a system.
In fairness, 14 years na po ang organization.
Yes.
So, parang nakaka-proud isipin na from those moments led it to now,
Mhm.
allowing more young kids to really grow in the organization. So, kudos talaga to the team.
Hi, Icon. Hi, team.
Yes.
And then Yellow Boat
Yes.
is where we give boats to go to school because we don't realize that there are children who have to swim just to go to school.
Yes po.
So, that's our other organization. We were involved there. Nagbibigay tayo ng mga bangka sa mga bata. So, until now, believe it or not, 2025, may mga ganun pa tayong communities.
Yes.
Kaya, nangingailangan po tayo ng tulong para sa ating mga kabataan.
Sana masuportahan po ninyo yung ating mga organization katulad po ng ICAN and
Yes
Yellow
po.
Boat of Hope.